Okay, we got you today. Look at this. We got green beans and bacon, a little bit of shallots and butter, garlic. You're gonna love this. Oh, try the recipe, please. Oh, you're gonna love it. Hey, this is Shra. That is the best elevator music I ever heard. Okay, so for the green beans, we're using the classic green beans here, the snap peas. Call them snap peas. You know, when I was little, my grandma used to snap the ends off the peas, off the string beans. Just snap them off. See that? Take the end, snap them off. That's too time consuming. So what I'm going to do is grab a handful of them, right? Just to make it easier. Put them on the cutting board, and we're just going to chop the ends off. Like that, spin it around, and then do the same thing with the other end. It's much easier. Put these in the bowl. Let's do snap some more or cut some more ends off. You know, you really don't want to eat the ends. They're kind of tough. You got the little stem, the little woody stem on them. You don't really want that. Alright, let's get these on here. And some more. You know, with some people, they don't snap the ends off. They don't cut the ends off. I don't understand that, but to each their own. This little guy, let me just get this little tip off. And but it's up to you. I mean, you're making your own beans. If you want to leave the ends on, you can. I don't, but that's just my preference. Okay, these out of here. More of these tips. Yep. Cut the tips out. Spin them around. And you're done. Okay. This got a little guy in here. I guess it all comes down to preparation, really. Or not preparation, or presentation. How do you want them to look? Do you want the little points and little ends on it? Let people eat around it. I wouldn't put my guests through that. I just chop them off for them. At the end of the day, you just want to eat and enjoy your food. You don't want to be fighting your food. That's very counterproductive. Okay, got a few more left here. Hand off. If you see any pieces that are suspect, don't keep them. Throw them out. If you have any doubts, throw them out. Alright, let's get these in the boiling water that I've seasoned. Okay, our water is boiling. We have salt in it. And now let's add the string beans. Or the green peas, or green beans, whatever you want to call it. Okay, we're going to cook these for a couple minutes. And that's all it takes for these to be done, just a couple minutes. So you get that nice snap when you bite into it. But the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to soften it up a little bit so it won't be so much of a snap, but the flavor will be. Okay, so while we're waiting on the string beans, the green beans, let's get our bacon ready. Let's get that bacon chopped up. I'm going to use all this bacon. Waste not, want not. We're going to chop it up. Let me get my bacon knife. Hold on. Alright, let's cut this bacon up. Here we go. And we're going to fry this for the green beans. Doing it this way, it's already going to be crumbled up in pieces as you fry it. Right? Work smarter, not harder. Alright, so the green beans are done just that quick, just a few minutes. Take them off the fire, Put our cast iron skillet on the fire. Okay, and while that's sitting there, we're going to let this warm up. And then we're going to saute our ingredients. Starting with the bacon. Let's get the bacon on there now, as a matter of fact. Bacon on there. Let's get that cooked crisp. Bacon getting crispy up. Alright, we're going to let that go for a few minutes and we'll be back. Alright, let's mix this up some. Alright, get that rendered down more. Okay, now we're going to add our shallots. Got our shallots in here. It doesn't take long for shallots to get done. I'm looking at about 30 seconds and you're good. Turn our heat down to medium low. Now we're going to add some garlic. Just a little bit of garlic. Like maybe a tablespoon. Get that mixed in. Now let's add our green beans. Put the heat at medium, add the green beans. And our green beans in. Now let's add some butter. Still, so let the butter melt. And once the butter melts and everything's coated, this is done. But let's add some pepper to it anyway. And pepper, a little bit. Okay. Stir it up. You don't have to add salt because of all the bacon that we have in here. Alright, we are done. Oh, look at this. Sauteed green beans and bacon with shallots and garlic. A little butter on it. You gotta love that.